the bottleneck here becomes, well, it's a lot of content to be created. The other thing is that, okay, well, how do, even if I was willing to create the content, how do I find what works? And then the third issue is like, okay, then how does the whole conversion process look like? Okay. So I'm going to show you guys a few things. Hopefully it helps you guys out with what you guys are doing. Um, we decided to approach the game a little differently, which is if we understand that the number one reason why someone's business won't grow is because they lack attention or the cost to acquire attention is so expensive, then how would we help someone in that business have an easier time to finding what works? And what I mean by finding what works, I literally mean um, what's already attracting your ideal client's attention on the scroll. And when I say on the scroll, I'm not talking about just like TikTok or Instagram Reels. I'm actually talking about every platform where someone scrolls, right? Where all attention, I've came to realize that like all platforms where someone is scrolling is where all attention goes. Think about it. Literally think about it. Catch yourself throughout the day today and look at where your attention is going. It's always on things that scroll. It's really weird. But anyway, so first bottleneck that we have to solve for is finding what works. The second thing is the actual creation of the content. And then the last step is like, okay, conversion. Um, the first thing we did when it comes to content is the finding of what works. We're solving it with what you might call a swarm of agents. And what a swarm of agents looks like, and I'll explain to you guys how we built this. Essentially, a swarm of agents is, think of it as 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 different Claude codes or codecs that you give access to a browser, you give access to a computer on the cloud, and you just let it rip. You give it a niche. And okay, let me explain it better. You cannot manage agents. You can't even manage 70 employees as a one person company or as a manager, more than 7 direct reports. So you definitely are not going to manage 7 AI agents. Imagine having to speak with 100 uh, chat GPTs at the same time or chat or Claudes. How would you do it? You can't. You can't say, hey, go do this for me, go do this for me, go do this for me. And as 100 agents come back to you, you cannot tell them, oh yeah, this is a great work and audit all the work that they're doing. It's simply not possible. So what we've figured out is this architecture around getting Claude, right? Claude as the orchestrator or the manager that then will spin up Codex. Codex is from ChatGPT, by the way, for anyone not familiar with Codex. It will spin up one Codex. It will spin up 5 Codex. It will spin up 100 different codexes, right? And what we want to do is we want to let AI manage AI when it comes to giving AI the job that we want it to do. So let's say one codex job will be, hey, go scroll on TikTok. And the other job will be, hey, go scroll on IG. And the other one is going to be, hey, you know what? I'm curious around knowing what works on YouTube, the formats, the packaging, the everything. Or you might be, hey, Codex, go look at ads. Hey, Codex, I want you to go into um, getting the entire funnel architecture of a company doing 5 mil a month because I want to help this other coach generate even 500K a month with it by replicating everything. So, and what you guys are seeing right now is data being currently like just the agents are just scorching the earth to find truth of what's currently already hooking because the attention is already being acquired by your competitor. Whether you like it or not, someone is already selling the thing you want to sell to the market you want to sell it to and to even more markets. The only reason why you are not making the money that they are making is simply because one, you don't know what you would get in front of a camera and say. First of all, the hook matters tremendously. The body, what insight are you going to give them that's going to make them want to trust you and think that and perceive you as an authority figure and actually be like, wow, this person is actually really insightful. They know what they're talking about. They're not just someone who watched a YouTube video and is just trying to sell me bullshit. This person is actually really savvy. Okay. And what are going to be the lead magnets that actually turn these people into people that want to give you their information, their email, their phone number, everything, so that you can enter a sales conversation. Okay. All of what is working in your market already exists. This is the number one thing I keep saying with people who keep on just finding an uphill battle with their business is they trying to figure out how to win. I'm like, why are you spending your day talking to AI or like thinking through your problems when someone else is already getting the attention you need and is already making the money you need to be making? You're going to have to compete, but if you're going to compete, you better compete with the best, not copy people who are struggling. Okay? So that's step number one. The architecture of leveraging a swarm of agents to go do work for you. And what's cool about this architecture is that once these agents have an output, you do not need to look at it. The manager, the orchestrator, is going to come back here and they're going to QA the output, and then they're going to present it to you as CEO, as an actual true manager of a company of agents. Okay. Why is this valuable as a skill to have to know how to do this? Is because now you can then make magic happen in any industry you want, as long as data exists online. You can have 300 agents go do work for you at a scale that you didn't even know could exist. You can overcome all the lack of skills and knowledge that you have. You're no longer bounded to your capabilities. You're bounded to the capabilities of Claude being able to figure out your problem. And then you're bounded to how many tokens you can burn with agents. You're not bonded with, oh, can I pay a $5,000 a month media buyer? Can I then pay a $2,000 a month funnel builder? Can I not also pay someone to help me with sales? If I'm struggling with sales to close lead gen, for insurance, I'm going to say, hey, Claude, please use the tech linear scale, launch Codex or launch a few employees. And I want you to watch all the YouTube videos around how to sell, especially when it comes to selling to local service businesses. And I want you to audit my business. And then I want you to then improve our sales script. It's going to come back. It's going to go watch maybe a YouTube training that I'm about to release very soon around how to sell over the phone. And it's just going to come back and say, hey, I saw this framework. It really applies to your offer. Here's what you should do.